Decimal numbers can be converted to fractions in a few simple steps. I'm going to explain this with the aid of a 4 decimal place figure. First, let's place the decimal as the numerator in a basic fraction. The decimal is a portion of 1, so it could be written as a fraction of 1. So, if 1 is the denominator, we can then begin to remove the decimal placing. If we multiply top and bottom of the fraction by 10 for every decimal place, we will eventually remove the decimal. So, as the decimal reduces, 1 grows. So, 4 decimal places means 4 zeros added to 1. In writing, it looks like this. We need to find the lowest dividing factor to keep both top and bottom as whole numbers. I'm going to try 5, so let's try once. We can reduce further, so let's go a second time, then a third time, lastly a fourth round. Any further cancellation and the denominator would no longer be a whole number, so our fraction conversion of 0.3125 is 5/16. Let's try converting a mixed fraction. Again, we can use a denominator of 1, although 2.3125 is greater than 1. We can still make this work. We need to move the whole number before multiplying. So 2 moves outside the fraction, and we can temporarily ignore it. So next multiply, then let's cancel. We tried dividing by 5 last time, but we can get there quicker. We can divide twice by 25 to find the smallest fraction. Let's replace the whole number we temporarily removed, and our answer is 2 and 5/16.